TTL Computer 2. Today we'll be taking a look at the results from our optimization efforts for Pilot, our native programming language for TTL Computer 2. And how I thought we were going to view these results is that we will let these two, the original baseline code, run against the new optimization code head-to-head in a horse race. And we will have the old baseline code will be in the smaller breakout window to the upper right portion of the screen, and the new optimization code will be running in the main center part of the screen. But we'll let those two horses go off to a race, and we'll see how we did for our optimization and performance improvement results. Okay, so let's get the horses to the gates. And here we go.
Go.
Time, 15 seconds. Time, that's 57 seconds. Wow, so those are pretty dramatic performance improvement results, far surpassing the 30% goal that I had for my optimization efforts. But basically, that was achieved by implementing a caching approach for finding and looking up labels in the code. So labels that are used in our jump statements or subroutine calls, normally those Pilot has to search the source code from top to bottom to find the label and get the address of the label. But with the caching approach, allows us to look up that label one time and then save it for quick use in subsequent jump statements or uh, subroutine calls. And that is particularly effective when we have programs that are running in tight loops. And that's pretty much what the screen program is doing. It's in a tight loop. It's just getting the random numbers and then plotting the X on the screen and then jumping back and looping it again. So the screen program is really a best case scenario for this type of optimization technique. But overall, it's going to be significant improvements. But in particularly, a program like the screen program will really benefit heavily with significant improvements in speed with this caching approach. So I think the optimization is, I'll say, labeled a success, and probably have some more small tweaks to do, but most of the optimizations are done, I think, now for Pilot at this point. So that's it for today. Until next time, thanks for watching.